Tokslaboss in the building. Boss babes, stand up, yeah. Africa to the world, let's glow. Stepping out fresh.
Hey boss babe, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Toks. So today I'm going to be introducing you to this burgundy unit. It is absolutely amazing. It was sent to me by LaBoss Beauty. If you want to see how I install this unit, bosses, you definitely got to keep on watching the video. Without further ado, let's get into it.
One life to live, but that's what me a go hard. Tomorrow no promise, so me not on me heart. Man live without limit. Man in there doing it. Live without limit. Yeah.
This wig was sent by LaBoss Beauty. I got a stocking cap, a little clip, and this is the wig. It's a 18 inches. This is the 99J unit, boss babe. And it is super cute and super vibrant. That's how the inside look. We have a lot of parting spaces. Comes with a band already hitched inside. Now we're gonna begin to add the foundation into the roots. The reason why we do this is because we want our unit to look as natural as possible. So we really love that. So you always wanna go ahead and do this trick, okay? So now the unit is perfectly blended. Now I'm going to put it on my head and place it how I like. I really love how this unit look. It's very full and very vibrant. So yes, boss babe, if you love this 18 inches, make sure to check out the description down below. Right now I'm going into LaBoss Beauty Lace Melting Spray. The one that I'm using is actually the Stronghold. It actually holds very, very well. I'm using just my, makeup brush to kind of just align the spray all over. I believe the spray got so hard so I couldn't even take it out the bottle, so I decided to just go in with my brush, and then I'm just pretty much cutting the excess lace off the unit just to size it to my ear, and went back in with the LaBoss Beauty melting spray, and it actually did what it needed to do, boss babe. And I went in with the other side and cut the ear off too as well. You gotta size it. So this is something that you definitely gotta do to size your unit. Now that it fits on my ear, go back into the hold and spray, and it's doing wonders. Went back in with the blow dryer. Definitely want to do that to make sure you have a firm hold, and just took it all over. I'm just going to put my hair in a bun, then after that I'm going to put the hair tie on there to make sure it's secure. After that, remove it, and then it's been 15 minutes, guys. So now I'm going to just cut inches off the wig for the lace. So I'm pretty much just cutting it in sections so I can know where to cut when I'm cutting. So I go into my blade and proceeded to cut it bits by bits until all the lace came off. When I like my sideburns, just making sure everything looked right, went back into my tweezer just to tweak it a little bit, making sure it comes out really well, and then I just proceeded to cut. So I'm still cutting the lace off the other area of my wig, and after I realized that I've done cutting everything, I just tweak my sideburns, wanted to look as natural as possible. Then I go into the LaBoss Beauty holding spray and just put that at the perimeters of my head. Now I'm going into the blow dryer, just making sure everything is dry and in place. Then I proceeded to taking strands of hair out, because I want to create a nice little soft baby hair. So that's the reason why I'm doing that. Once I find myself doing that, then I go into the bowl hold and started placing it for my sideburns and making sure it looks really nice how I like it. And then I proceeded to create baby hair. So I go back into the bowl hold just to perfect the baby hair even more than what I did. I proceeded to just go around and just pretty much cut each baby hair as short as I wanted to. And then as you can see how I'm placing my finger, I believe that's my index finger on top of the baby hair, and then just proceeded to cut it again. Do the same technique. If you're the type of girl that don't like too much baby hair, such as this method that I'm showing you, make sure to copy everything that I'm doing. Now I'm going into the band to just bring that down, make sure it dries really well. Then I want to take my hair out and then just try to add conditioner, a little bit of oil for the hair, not too much. I pretty much mix all of those and water together in that bottle, and I'm going to proceed to just dab it on the hair. Make sure it has that wet and wavy look that I'm going for. I absolutely love these curls. It looks super cute. Now I'm going to go into the blow dryer just to make sure we keep the curl pattern, and so far it's looking unbelievable. Super cute, still wet, still wavy, and just absolutely gorgeous. Do you not just love these curls? If you do, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to check out the description down below to get this LaBoss Beauty unit right at your doorstep. Comes in like 2 to 3 business days, so definitely think about getting this unit. Absolutely fire. Absolutely love it. So yes, bosses, so the big reveal, here we go. You want to be careful when taking off the band too as well, removing excess little tags that's on the hair, but overall this is how the hair came about. It is gorgeous, it is voluptuous, it is super cute for the girl that's trying to install her unit and want to know how to do it. This video literally showed you step by step. Now don't tell me you don't know how to install your unit when you basically see me what I'm doing. This is a 18 inches and it absolutely is cute. Go ahead, put it up in a bun, do whatever you want to it, let it down. Just enjoy the moment. But overall, that baby here is sitting real pretty, real cute, real flashy. So yeah, bosses, if you're still watching the video, make sure to give the videos a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below. Let me know you love the hair. And don't forget to check out the description so you can get this unit. I just wanted to alert you, boss babe, that the unit tastes good with heat. So yeah, thank you, bosses, so much for checking out my YouTube channel today. God bless. I hope you have a blessed day. And do come back. Do come back.